guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is December 24th and it's 7 in the evening right now, and a bit later we're gonna have our Christmas dinner. I'm gonna have my Christmas dinner with my husband, and yeah, it's gonna be a great night.
Merry Christmas! Christmas!
Okay, this is my gift for you. Open it up, darling.
Thank you so much. Oh my god, punch your face.
Isn't that the best Christmas gift ever?
Oh, so nice. It actually is. I had one this so good.
Really? You like
Oh,
it?
I love it. It's been so good. This is one of those you can charge.
I don't know, I just pick it up. It's actually,
It's for hand.
yeah. Or there's a charge, or there's a
There's a
wire there.
Oh, thank you so much.
Open now, babe.
No, I will not open.
It's just
Can
open.
it be exchanged?
Like
No, I
it's
love it.
fuck out, give you the
And there is two heads and two different colors, so you can also have them.
fuck
And
done.
then you just change the head.
No.
Yes, you do. A family will just have one of those with different heads.
Yeah, but that's like young.
No, it's not. Also over there.
I think that's a good gift.
That's a very nice cake. But can it fit in my
And yours?
shower? Why should it be broken?
I don't know, I bought it in normal.
That's a head. That's a head, and then this you can see, and then there is a ring, so you can color it. Then you just do like this, and then you brush your teeth, and then this is like a holder, I guess, and a charger.
I just tried to.
And then you just buy this one when you buy toothbrushes.
So you can actually just buy just
Yeah, then you just buy this one, and then you got a color, and then you just put your color on, and you use it, and then it changes, and you put it to mine. Thank you so much, my love. Oh God.
You did not expect that one.
That was unexpected. What did you get for Christmas?
Okay, get a fucking lingerie in
Where is it? Are you wearing it?
You gave me lingerie and you gave me I'm not wearing it today, and you gave me the what is it called?
DJI. Osmo Mobile.
I'm still learning how to use that. But I think that different color, it got different purpose to it.
No.
Yes, it got
No.
controls here.
Yeah, so you can see the difference.
No,
It can be that it's two different, where they put two different, there is a hard and there is a soft. But when you buy them ongoing, then you just buy the one you need. go to one and say, I didn't get the nut.
Me too.
And it is on yours. I put it in the big one and I did this one, so
There is really? Where's the gift? I got the nuts! And here in
Is it an
Denmark.
almond? Or is it a peanut?
I don't know, but
Maybe it's a peanut you just took from the cabinet. It does look like an almond.
I'm Martin Baum. In Denmark, if you get this in your Risalamang, you're gonna have a gift. And I got it, Martin was my
Yeah, when
gift.
you're done eating, you're not allowed to eat it. You have to verify it. When you're done eating, then you can have a gift. You had it for a long time.
No! That's when you said, like, oh, making you really something. Martin, why are you smiling like that? What's the gift? What's the gift?
I don't know what the gift is. You're the one who was supposed to buy that.
Huh.
I said it.
I think so.
The one you picked me up, I said you go to the market and said you buy also you also buy what have we also got a raffle? You didn't bring the 3 gifts. Actually, I thought about it, then I forget all about it. I should have been doing that. No, but I said you're buying Mettengave. I told you that.
No, you did not. I cannot eat anymore.
Stop.
Where's my gift? Where's my gift? In Denmark, they got this tradition where you're gonna eat this ris alamang, and then anyone who got the nuts, like these nuts, will have a gift. And then I got it in my plate, so I must have a gift. And now I'm asking him if I got a gift, and it's like, oh, you should be the one to buy it. I don't know. I hope there is one. Still gonna wait for him. Waiting. What's taking him so long? But the very next day, you give it away. Because someone special. Give you my heart, but the very next day. Where's that gift go?
That's what it
I
is.
already know.
Ah!
I already know. I can take it.
So lucky that you're the one getting the gift, huh? Otherwise, it's been pretty weird.
I already know. Martin, what's the F?
Mine is quite dirty.
Am I really gonna show it
Of course you are.
on? Okay, this is the prize I won. And this. Oopsie. And then there's the name. Design, what's it called? Design lingerie. Okay, you explain, Martin.
No, I'm not explaining.
Okay, design lingerie. I got a friend here in Denmark, she's Brazilian, and she's making her own design for lingerie and selling it. And it's a very small company, she's just starting up. And apparently my husband saw the post in Facebook about Lida, my friend, the Brazilian, selling all this. And so the story is he contacted my friend and was buying this. This is the third pair I got.
I think I would call it a set.
Yeah, third set. I had a Christmas, not Christmas Eve, like the other day I had also a pair, and then today I also got, and then now I got it as a prize for the Res Alaman thing. It's actually nice. I like it. And yeah, and my friend made it, so you cannot just buy it somewhere. It's like, you know, customized.
Special, yeah, customized special.
It's a special made.
It's unique.
Yeah. So if anyone wanna try this out, if you're in Denmark, maybe you can. This is you can find this in Facebook. Lingerie design lingerie. It's really good quality actually. So now I'm happy. Oh my gosh.
Now try it on.
Later, but anyway, thank you very much.
You're welcome, honey.